Gaming. Okay. Gaming mining is backed by Binance Labs, Sandbox, Telegram, Ton Foundation, and Animoca. I think Animoca brands. I think I'm correct. Mocaverse. So this is actually a gaming token. Their utility is just gaming, and I believe they might have a bit of metaverse in it, but I'm not so sure. But I think from what I've seen so far, so when you click the link, it will bring you here. So you're allowed to mine every 1 hour. So for a new for new registrations, if you're just newly being registered, you would be allowed to mine only 5 loots per hour. And if you happen to utilize the platform, you can be given more opportunities to mine at a higher rate per hour. As you can see here, I have upgrade mining cap to 20 loots per hour, and I'm being charged 1,250 units of Gamee tickets here. So that's to show you that I have bought some tickets already. I think I bought two tickets, and so currently I'm mining at a rate of 15 loots per hour. 15 loots per hour. Mining at the rate of 15 loots per hour. So once you click start mining, your mining is going to elapse every 1 hour. So you need to come back to mine in an hour or every 1 hour. So I don't know how, depending on how your schedule is. So currently there's 500 million units of loot that has been mined for about, I think it was 20 days. So right now currently it's left with 8 days. So after these 500 million units have been mined by miners or by gamers, I believe the next round is going to be 100 million units, and then for another period of time. So the best way to utilize your ability to mine more loot, because that's the focus here, to mine more loot, is to buy is to buy to upgrade your mining cap with your tickets, with the tickets you have. That's one of the ways. The second way is to stake. I don't know how this staking works. I've not tried it. So I believe you can just do with what you have here for now. But if you're inquisitive, you can click on stake and continue with and proceed to stake your loot that you have mined so far. So your balance will always show here. I think in the previous rounds, I've mined up to 125 units of loot. I wasn't serious with it until recently, so that's the issue. So on this, once you finish mining on the other page, when you click back, it will bring you here. So let me start from play. So when you click on play, you're going to see there are lots of games here you can play. There are lots of games you can play. You can just look for someone whom you have invited to play with. So the more you play these games, the more you earn rewards, and this reward will enable you mine more of loot per hour. Now this is a normal mining. So one of the ways to boost your mining rates, let me click on boost, is to refer people, is to invite people to mine loot. And another way is to play another way to earn more of the tickets, the game tickets, is to play this spin every day. I think you're given 2 free spins in a day, and you can afford to buy 2 more if you have game tickets. Currently I've played my 2 free spins, and I have bought 2 tickets to play extra 2 spins, and I got some G tickets. So for me to play another spin, I'll have to pay 500 units of the ticket. I don't have that, so I'll have to keep that at a hold right now until I'm able to accumulate more before I'll go further to get more spins. You can as well spin to get USDT. So for those who will be lucky to get USDT, you need up to 10 USDT to make withdrawals. If it doesn't get up to 10 USDT, you cannot make withdrawals. So just have that at the back of your mind. Your wallet shows you the amount of USDT you have currently. Like me, I think I've connected my wallet already. My wallet is already connected to my Townkeeper app, Townkeeper wallet. So it's as simple as that. I think that's all for Gamee. It's basically backed by Binance Labs. I just got to know about that. That's when I got serious with mining. So I advise everyone to also mine. It's also backed by Sandbox. Sandbox is the number one, and let me just say number one anyways, but one of the top metaverse projects in the crypto space. Is backed by Telegram, backed by Ton Foundation, Animoca Lab brands, and Mochaverse. So I've added my referral link to the description of this video, so you can make do with that. Cheers.